Namaskar. A warm welcome to all of you on our YouTube channel CA Sansaar. Myself CA Vivek Khurana, and today we will discuss on a very important issue whether a chartered accountant engage himself into teaching coaching activities. So before going to start, my request to all of you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel CA Sansaar and also press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new video, you will get it notified. So this issue, whether a chartered accountant engage himself in teaching activities or not. So one disclaimer is there. This is my personal views and not the views of like CSNSR, ICAI or any other authority. And it's also not my any legal advice or the professional opinion or professional advice. And our purpose is only to spread the knowledge or the awareness or the information, and it's also not for any solicitation. So even you can also refer ICI guidelines, any notification, etc. So this topic, whether a chartered accountant in practice, yes, before chartered accountant in job, they don't have so much restriction. So this is for the chartered accountant in practice, means who are holding a COP, whether they can engage themselves into coaching or the teaching activities. So if you go to clause 11, in first schedule, two schedule you all know, first schedule and the second schedule of the Chartered Accountant Act 1949. So clause 11 of part 1 of first schedule, it says a chartered accountant in practice shall be deemed to guilty for professional misconduct if he engage in any business or occupation other than the profession of chartered accountant unless permitted by the council so engaged. That we all know, if we are having a COP, means if we are chartered accountant in practice, we can't do any other business or profession unless until it's permitted by the council, ICI council. So it's into the clause 11. And even regulation 190A of the chartered accountant, so regulation 9088, it also says a chartered accountant in practice shall not engage in any business or occupation other than profession of accountancy except with the permission granted in accordance with the resolution of the council. Means if you want to do something else, means if you are chartered accountant in practice, if you want to do something else, then you have to seek the permission of the council. So in regulation 190A, council has provided two type of permission. One is general permission and second one is specific permission. Clear? General permission means which all the chartered accountant they are into practice they can do. There are many services are there which a chartered accountant in practice can do, that we will discuss some other day. But today we are going to discuss on the teaching activities. So whether it's into the general permission or the specific permission, and this specific permission, this is on the individual basis and person to person. It's not like that if it's provided to X, then Y can also. No, it's council can reject. A को provide कर सकती है, B को नहीं कर सकती. That depends on the circumstances and the conditions. So basically, which are the general permission and which are the specific permission as per regulation 190A. So general permission for teaching activities. So अगर आप देखेंगे, it says general permission is for the private tutorship and part-time tutorship under coaching organized of the institute. कि मीन्स अगर कोई आप प्राइवेट ट्यूटरशिप दे रहे हैं, प्राइवेट ट्यूटरशिप मीन्स कोई कोचिंग एक्टिविटीज नहीं कर रहे, कोई कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट नहीं चला रहे, सिर्फ प्राइवेट मीन्स एक दो बच्चे को आपने बुला के पढ़ा दिया, या इफ यू आर गोइंग टू होम ट्यूशन, प्राइवेट ट्यूटरशिप, it's allowed as a general permission. For that you don't have to go for the special permission. And the part-time, here the word is part-time, not the full-time, part-time tutorship under the coaching organizer of the institute. Institute means Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. So if institute or its regionals or the branches, if they organize any coachings, then also general permission is there, you can go for the part-time tutorship. So this is the general permission which is allowed to all the chartered accountant in practice. And what about the specific permission? Specific permission is for part-time or full-time tutorship under any educational institute other than coaching organized of the institute. कि means अगर आप ICI के अलावा कहीं भी किसी भी एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट में चाहे आप पार्ट टाइम या फुल टाइम ट्यूटरशिप प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो, देन यू हैव टू गो फॉर द स्पेसिफिक परमिशन. Remember, you need for the specific permission. Many members are not aware for that, and I got many calls and many messages कि सर इसमें स्पेशल परमिशन चाहिए या जनरल परमिशन चाहिए. सो सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट कि अगर आप प्राइवेट ट्यूटरशिप कर रहे हो, प्राइवेट ट्यूटरशिप एंड द इंस्टीट्यूट के पास लाइक जीएमसीज क्लासेस या जीएमसी या आईसीआई आर द ब्रांचेस आर द रीजनल काउंसिल लाइक एनआईआरसी डब्ल्यूआरसी एसआईआरसी सीआरसी, they are providing some coaching and you are providing part time tutorship, then no need for the specific permission. It's a generally allowed, you can go for that. आपको कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. बट यस, अगर आप किसी कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट में, किसी भी एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट में पार्ट टाइम या फुल टाइम कोई आप अपनी कोचिंग प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो या आप ट्यूटरशिप प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो, देन यू हैव टू गो फॉर द स्पेसिफिक परमिशन. क्लियर? बट यस, इसके अलावा भी जो जनरल एंड स्पेसिफिक परमिशन जो आपको ग्रांटेड है, जनरल परमिशन मींस प्राइवेट ट्यूटरशिप एंड विद द आईसीआई एंड स्पेसिफिक अदर देन आईसीआई, अगर आप एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट में प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो, देन देयर आर वन कंडीशन आल्सो. डायरेक्ट कोचिंग आवर्स devoted to such activities taken together should not exceed 25 hours in a week. So if you are into practice, you are doing attestation function, then 25 hours in a week, इससे ज्यादा आप कोचिंग प्रोवाइड नहीं कर सकते. आइदर यू हैव द जनरल परमिशन और यू हैव द स्पेसिफिक परमिशन. इवन आईसीआई के पास भी आप पार्ट टाइम कोचिंग प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, देन आल्सो टोटल आवर्स शुड नॉट एक्सीड 25 आवर्स. 1 वीक में आप प्राइवेट ट्यूटरशिप भी दे रहे हो जिसमें आपको जनरल परमिशन अलाउड है 25 आवर्स इन अ वीक, कोई स्पेसिफिक परमिशन है किसी कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट में पढ़वा रहे हो, देन आल्सो 25 आवर्स इन अ वीक. Clear? Then one more thing is there regarding the advertisement. For example, I am running a coaching institute या अपनी private tutorship पढ़ा रहा हूँ and I got the special permission from the ICI. Then can I do the advertisement? या even some members doing the advertisement and saying कि हम तो practice की नहीं कर रहे advertisement, we are doing only for our coaching academy. So remember clause 6 of first schedule of the Chartered Accountant Act 1949, what it says? It says solicit clients or professional work either directly or indirectly by circular, advertisement, personal communication or interview or by any other means. So it means you are doing indirect solicitation. कि अगर आप कोचिंग एडवर्टीजमेंट कर रहे हो, अपनी कोचिंग की या टीचिंग एक्टिविटीज की आप एडवर्टीजमेंट कर रहे हो, इट मींस यू आर डूइंग इनडायरेक्ट सोलिसिटेशन and you are violating the provision of clause 6 of part 1 of first schedule. So ICI said, please abstain yourself from these kind of advertisement regarding coaching and the teaching activities. And yes, agar aap karte ho, then liable for the disciplinary action. And regarding the if we do some hoardings, कई बार आप देखेंगे बहुत बड़े बड़े hoardings हैं. So if you are into practice, अगर practice में नहीं है, you are doing coaching, then it's okay, no issue. But if you are holding a COP, means a member in practice, then regarding the signboard, you can put the signboard at जहाँ भी आप कोचिंग या टीचिंग परमिसेस है, जहाँ पे आप कोचिंग टीचिंग एक्टिविटीज प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो, वहाँ पे आप साइन बोर्ड प्रोवाइड कर सकते हो. एंड यू कैन ओनली मेंशन नेम ऑफ द कोचिंग टीचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट and the contact details and which subjects you are providing the coachings. And regarding the signboard, then same clause, signboard पे हमने एक वीडियो भी बनाया, तो you can check it on the CS Sansaar itself. Then you can same clause as applicable to CA in practice or the CA firm in practice, same will be applicable to the coaching teaching activities. So this is regarding the coaching and the teaching activities. So if you have any query, any doubt, you can mail or message me. Till then, bye bye, take care.